Welcome to Pasta Fazool. My name is Andy, and today we have eggplant. You know, eggplant is one of those veggies where not appreciated by too many people, but if you do it the right way, you're gonna love this little sucker. So come right back. Welcome back. Eggplant, like I said before, if you cook it right, you're gonna love it. So here it goes. Let's start with this little baby over here. You know, a lot of people cook eggplant a little different. Me, I'm gonna make it a little different today. I'm gonna show you a way that you're gonna love this baby. And this is one of the recipes my mom used to make years ago. She still does it, but she does it a little different now. She kind of does it the pizza way, you know, where you just put it in flour and you put it in the egg and you fry it. But I used to like the other way. My wife does it too sometimes, but she likes it the other way too. She likes it with the batter and the egg. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to surprise her today. She's upstairs. She don't even know what I'm doing. So here goes. Cut them up like that. Let me show you, get a little closer. Make sure it has always a little bit of the peel around it, because it gives it a little bit more of a taste. Come in little pieces like this. Not so big, little pieces like this. Now we are, after you cut them up, about not so sized like this, we're gonna fry them up a little bit. Put them on the side. Okay. Put them right on top of the paper towel. Put these up a little bit. We'll cook them up a little bit. As soon as it can become brown, we'll put them on the top of the paper towel over here. Make that oil drip a little bit so it won't be too oily. Okay, here. Get them out. When they're a little brown like this, cook them all up like that. Okay, now once you're done with this, put this on the side, right? And we'll start with the tomatoes. We're gonna puree some tomatoes, some plum tomatoes over here. And sure, Andy, make a mess. Oh yeah. Okay. We'll puree this a little bit, not that much. Yeah, we want a little bit of chunk, tomatoes in there. Okay. And now we're gonna get a nice pan. I'm going to put this on the side, put some olive oil, and we're just going to put one piece of garlic. You won't have to cut it too much. Okay, turn this on. Okay, we just really want the taste of the garlic. We're going to remove this as soon as the oil gets the taste of the garlic. Okay, meanwhile, while this is getting nice and brown, the garlic, I'll put some water on the fire over here. Get it to a boil, and we'll start cooking some penne. Some penne rigati. That's my kid's favorite. So there you go. It's almost done. And as soon as you see that getting a little brown like this, getting brown, and then the olive oil tastes like that beautiful garlic. All right. We're going to remove that. We're going to remove the garlic. If you like the garlic, you leave it in there. Chop them up a little thinner, leave them in there. I just don't think we need to put so much garlic in this recipe. And yeah, as soon as that's done, we'll add the tomato. We'll cook this up for say about 10-15 minutes. Got a little bit of salt. Cook it up a little bit. To give it that nice taste of the garlic and the olive oil. A little bit of water in there. So. And as soon as it comes up with a boil, give it about another extra 5 minutes, and this tomato sauce will be ready. Okay, the tomato sauce is almost done. We'll give it a few more minutes. Ah, it smells great. You guys see that one? You gotta smell that. And we'll give it a few more minutes for the water to boil. Put a little bit of salt in there for the pasta. And as soon as it boils, we'll pick up some Penne rigate, and I'll show you how to finish up this baby. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut up some fresh mozzarella. Now, I'm just going to use a little bit of mozzarella. I don't like putting too much mozzarella because this is more like one of those dishes that you don't put too much cheese. But since the mozzarella is without butter, and it's fresh mozzarella, doesn't have any butter, you can put a little more mozzarella inside. Give it a nice taste. And by the way, if I forgot to tell you what goes into this recipe, it's very simple. It's one of those very simple recipes. You need eggplant, cook them up, fry them up to this, nice and some fresh mozzarella, one piece of garlic, some parmigiano. Make sure it's Reggiano because this is the ultimate Parmesan. I mean, it's hands down the best Parmesan you can taste, and that's going to make a difference in this dish over here. Some penne. I said the mozzarella. That's about it. We're almost done. Stick around. Okay, you have the boil. Is the water boiling over there? We're going to use about half a pound of pasta. There we go. That should be more than enough. Let that give it about 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Okay, while that's cooking now, we're going to start with the eggplant now. Get the eggplant. The sauce is ready. Throw the eggplant in the sauce, in the tomatoes. And it's very important that, see how soft the eggplant is? See how soft it is? Okay, this eggplant now is going to keep cooking, and the longer it cooks, now look at me, the longer it cooks, the creamier it's going to become. It's going to almost like melt inside the tomato sauce. It's very important that you do that. Give it like a good 15 minutes cooking inside the tomato sauce, and you're going to see what a fantastic tomato sauce is going to be. In the eggplant, it's just going to melt into the sauce. And we'll put that together with the pasta as soon as that's done. And you're going to love this. You know what? I'm going to put a couple of pieces of basil in there. That just, whoops, too much. Lower down, lower this down a little bit. It's a little too high. Make sure it don't stick. I want to take this off. A couple of pieces of basil in here. That gives a beautiful smell, beautiful taste. Put together inside the eggplant. And I tell you, if you are one of those people that don't like eggplant, you cook it this way, oh man, you're in for a treat, I tell you. This is really, really fantastic. Now, cook it for a little while now in that sauce, all right? Because the eggplant, you're going to actually see it melt. You can see it melt. It's going to melt. You see the little pieces, black pieces of the peel in there, but the actual eggplant, it's going to kind of melt, and the peel is going to give it like a little bit of a, like a picante kind of a thing, like a little spicy thing, not much, okay? And that's very important in this dish. So we're almost there. Okay, the pasta has been cooking us at about 9 minutes now, and it looks like it's perfect. It's al dente right now. Perfect. The shark is off. finish this off. Put the pasta right inside. The eggplant. We're going to give it a few more minutes, maybe another, I'd say another 5 to like 7 minutes. Cook it up in the sauce. Give it a little. We're almost there. Let's not forget the parmigiana reggiano. Very important that you put a little bit of parmigiana reggiano because this plate means a lot to the parmigiana reggiano. And this parmigiana is going to just melt right into the dish, right into this eggplant. I'll put some mozzarella now, fresh mozzarella inside. And here it goes again, flip it a little bit more. Maybe a few more pieces of basil. Cook it up a few more minutes. And that looks like it's done. And this is pasta with eggplant, or pasta alla melanzane. We've done this for years in my house. Kids love it. Even though they're not too crazy about the eggplant, but when you cook it this way, oh man, you're gonna love it. Let's see. Wow. Give it a few more minutes. Okay. And it's done. See how the let me show you. See how the mozzarella, it's like halfway melted, and the eggplant is like all the way melted in there. It all became like one. It became like one cream. That's what you want. Okay. And we're gonna plate this up, and I'm gonna show you what this is. You can only smell it. I love it. See how the mozzarella? Oh boy. A little more parmigiana on top. Parmigiano reggiano. Yeah. Nice piece of basil on top there. Right, let's give it a taste. Looks really good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You know what? There's one thing about me. I just love it. Parmesan on top. But this is it. Guys, give it a try. And I'm gonna tell you, I promise you this. Even for those people that don't like eggplant, you're gonna love it this way. And that's it really. Hopefully you guys like it. And I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to me, and thank you for being with me. This is Andy from Pasta Fazool. Ciao. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.